Okay, maybe I just had to drop my video bitrate. I'm getting no drop frames at the moment, so. God. That's super freaking annoying. Oh yeah, tell me to stream not during the day. That's a great idea. Okay, so let's just get back to it because let's see. I'm not dropping any frames anymore, so I don't know what happened. Man, okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, so this will be tricky. Find this from a new stream. So you initialize everything in main. You initialize video stream, video codec. So this probably gets passed to alloc output context. Okay, that's fine. Let's continue generating. Oh, trailer? Lol. I hate these two-line if conditionals or whatever. I don't like them. I prefer the braces. All right, whatever. Dropping the video frame. Let me actually test the playback though. All right, let me try to scroll. See how the scrolling. Oh, that's much better. And it seems like the delay is lower. I don't know what happened with that either. Okay, cool. The video quality doesn't seem significantly degraded, so I think we'll probably keep this as it is. All right, I actually want to start from scratch. Vidcap.c. Okay. So what do we need to do? What does this program do? That's the real question. Format context, and we open an input from the webcam with this context and this input format. And then this is called the URL. So that could have been a stream from a file. Then we find the first video stream format. We could have done options, but that's fine. I don't really care. Okay, we get the stream index. Now we have a codec. Okay, we print the parameters of this format context stream codec parameters. So associated, okay, codec parameters associated with this stream. Okay, so then we create a codec or we instantiate or initialize the codec context. Then we find a decoder for that. We find a decoder for this format. Okay, then we open the decoder. Then we create the converter from one pixel type to another pixel type. Oh, I didn't know that if you hover, you get the format number. Okay, then we just print out what the what pixel format the decoder is using. Okay, then we allocate a frame. And we initialize the thing. Then we make another frame that will be used for RGB. We allocate a packet. Then we read a frame from the input format to that packet, which this doesn't make any sense to me at all. This is actually stupid. I think what we wanted to say was probably packet data. Okay, so what I would expect is before read frame, packet is empty. After reading. All right, so if we try to what happened? It did compile, but it failed to run somewhere. Did get buff. I think we want to do this. There we go. So before is empty, yes. After, no. So that's actually what we wanted to say. So then this is the line that takes the picture in my mind. Hopefully I won't have to like upload the concatenation of all these streams. Hopefully Twitch just puts them together. Okay. It's really confusing that 0 is used for success. It's more like the inversion of like did fail. Whatever. Okay. Okay, then after we read the frame, or after we read the did read frame into packet. Really. Okay, so after we get the picture, we want to send it to this decoder. And the parameters of this decoder are like, what is raw video? So it's literally just one pixel after another, just in 24-byte chunks. Wait, but that's not necessarily true because, wait, when I print out this pixel format, this is the decoder pixel format. But I want to know audio codec, data codec. There's probably a video codec. Input format, what is that? The input container format. That's probably not what I want. Input format. Can I get a pixel? Okay, what is the... Okay, so this is after we open everything. So, I just want to ask. Okay, so this script takes a picture and writes to PNG. How can I find the pixel format of the camera? Because my understanding is that the raw, that the output. Okay, wait, so Hello? Oh, yeah, okay. Hello? So, I figured out what... I watched this Soding stream earlier today, and he was talking about bindings. And I gotta say, now that I've written the code in C, I gotta say the Rust code is super freaking obfuscated. It's like, I just want to know what's going on under the hood, and this thing is telling me all this bullshit. Okay. Isn't that what I already do? I think it should be the same. Oh, is it not set? Oh, no, it's this. Okay, so the camera... So when the input format, pixel format is YUV422, that means that the camera doesn't have... That is like specific to the type design of the sensor. Interesting. Okay. So that's cool.
Want to know everything you want to know about Watch this video from the sponsor.
1/2 hour, 2 half hour, like a bar of chocolate. I don't want to get demonetized, but that video is fucking gold. 1/2 hour, 2 half hour. All right. So, okay. So now conceptually, hey, what's up, bro? What's up, Adam? Saddam? You a sad Adam? Okay. All right, let's go back to the webcam part of this. Open video encoder. You actually made me laugh. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Wait, let me get my phone so I can read your chat. Okay. Do I really have 4 viewers right now? That can't be right. What's going on? Okay, here, I'll tell you what's going on. Right now, we just spent the last couple hours writing this script that takes a picture. So I run this script and it outputs to a PNG this picture from another webcam that's not connected to OBS because you can't use the same camera twice. It's really washed out because the software, I guess, that's inside this webcam, it takes like it does like a boot process where it tries to calibrate. So it always starts out really bright and then it works down. So yesterday I wrote a script that using the Rust ffmpeg bindings takes 50 pictures, and by the end the colors look a lot better than the first frame. So the first frame is really washed out, and then the last frames get increasingly better. And so today, because I wanted to understand, just minimize what's actually going on, I decided to rewrite it all in C, and we've finally done that. Now the next step is to capture a video. So we're going to take this, and instead of decoding to JPEG, we're going to be decoding to H.264. And so that is what I'm learning about now. And that is basically what I'm reading through. Okay, let me just read through this function. 1/2 hour, 2/2 hour. Okay. Open video encoder. Output context codec. It's a pointer to a codec. I don't know why that. I do not understand C pointers. Not well enough. Okay, so then we have an output stream and then the dimensions of the video, I guess. It just initializes a context. It's so interesting that this is like how C is written. Okay, so then you find the encoder for H.264. That's all good. Then you create a new stream. Let's see specifically what does that do. Add a new stream to a media file. When demuxing, it is called by the demuxer and read header. And it takes a output format context. So we'll see how that gets initialized later. Outstream ID, you have to actually manually set that. Of course you do. So this should be 0. Wait. This should be 1. So then this will be 0. Because when you add a new stream, presumably this will increment and be streams. Oh, yeah, hold on. We go to here, here. How do you do this? Int? Fuck. What does it return? It returns an AV stream. There we go. Okay, and then if you do Realloc array. Okay, there you go. So somewhere in here it's incrementing, so that's good. Am I getting chats? Hold on. Oh, shit. Well, I'm not doing Rust right now. For some reason, my fucking phone does not get the chats properly. It didn't say that there was any chats. Let's test this out. Okay, well, I get my own chats. Okay. XD. Okay. Okay, then we a new context with a codec. Okay. Allocate a new AV codec context and set its field to default values. The resulting structure be freed. Okay. Okay, then we said a whole bunch of stuff about this outstream. I don't know how to handle the time-based thing. Okay, the bit rate. It's a pretty low bit rate, I think. This is 400,000 bits a second. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty low video bit rate. Okay. Okay. I feel like there's no way that you actually have to do it like this, but who cares? The C is the codec context. I think you should be able to do it with that helper function, but whatever. Okay, now we open C. Could not open the codec. Okay, now we oh, this is what I meant. Okay, so fill the parameters struct based on values from the codec context. Don't we manually do all that right there? Seems a little weird. Okay, and then what? Okay, that's fine. That function makes sense to me. Now we have an output context. We have an output format. We have a video stream. And we have a video codec. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, does output MP4 exist? Okay, we can just delete that. Oh, if null file name is used. Okay, cool. Then it tries to specifically use mpeg. (1920 by 1080). Okay. Dude, am I getting... Yeah. Create and initialize an AVIO context for accessing the resource indicated by the URL. PB. I don't know what PB means. No, that's easy. Yeah, you just give it the format context. Capture frames, encode, and write to file. Okay, perfect. Oh. I wonder if this code just runs. Let's just try this. Let's see, did it make the file? Very cool. Okay. ASDF. Okay, cool. So I got it on my phone. That's nice. Alrighty. Okay, so this I'm going to rename to be I format context. What am I doing? Okay, so then okay. Okay, so see, once I have it working, I don't really mind adding all the extra crud. I wonder if this is going to work. But it didn't actually write any of the function. Oh, there we go. I mean, this all looks right. Hello. Oh, no. No. Okay. One more time. I kind of like the other one more, but hey, man. Once it's working, I don't really care. This is what it should be. We just say what we want. We gotta sit back and relax, am I right? Okay, what would I need to take a pic? I'm just curious if it actually works. Honestly, though, this is way less clean than the... Honestly, I don't even want to use this. I feel like this is a total shit rewrite. The other one was way better. Where am I from? I'm from America. Okay, I feel like it's time to just figure this thing out. So, this context... This codec is determined by the input format's codec parameters. In vidcap... No, I'm not from Chicago. From California. I went to school in Chicago. Okay, let's read. So this is an encoder, but do we need a decoder? We probably need a decoder. Let me look at that transcoding example in... Okay, now that I know this code base a little better, I feel like I might be able to read this thing. Where are you from, bro? Sad Adam. Where's Sad Adam from? That's what we all want to know. Oh, cool. Nice. You know what I've noticed? I have a lot of European. Well, the people that tune in regularly, like my buddy Ole, he's from Poland. So let's see what's going on in Hungary. I love Google Maps. You're from Budapest? Wait, Budapest? Yeah. Or are you from one of these other no-name towns? Burn. I'm just kidding, bro. I've never been to Hungary. I feel like that'd be so fun. On the east. Ah, cool. Let's see. Do they have 3D view? That is how you know a town is cool, is if it has 3D view. There we go. Nice. It does have 3D view. It's the population. Oh, wow. Pretty small population. That's fun. Yeah, gotta zoom into the McDonald's in, how do we say this? Niregaza? I don't know how to say this, man. Let's see if I can find a pronunciation. Niregaza. Wait, what do you speak in Hungary? Oh, it is Hungarian. Okay. Huh. Bro, I'm American. I don't know shit about other countries. Nice, man. What do you do? Are you a software engineer? By the way, if I'm ever in Hungary, I'm gonna be hitting you up, man. Might need a crash on your couch. Let's see. I bet you guys have some nice train systems to get to cool places. You know, I was in Greece. You know, wow, it's surprisingly. I don't know how long a train ride that would be. Probably like 10 hours or something. But I had one of my coworkers. He lived in Bucharest. You can probably get there pretty easily. Probably get to Vienna really easily. Oh, you're learning? Wait, so you do speak Hungarian or you don't? Here, wait. Let me get the chat up here for the VOD. Well, I knew a bunch of Hungarian mathematicians like John von Neumann. Hold on. The Martians math. These were all a bunch of Hungarian guys. Dude, these guys are crazy. Yeah. The Hungarians. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I want to look at Budapest now. I'm guessing that you've been to Budapest, right? Wow, Budapest looks beautiful, man. Oh, cool. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I don't want to click on it. I don't know why I don't want to click on it. Oh, really? I didn't know about the Rubik's Cube, bro. I love the Rubik's Cube. I'm pretty fast. Really? Carbonated water. That's cool. Oh, Prezi? Dude, I used to use this all the time. That's funny. Wow. That's pretty neat. Let's try this one more time. Nirekasa. Oh, you're learning to code. Is that what you were saying? Or you're learning Hungarian? I didn't get that exactly. Okay. What do we have to do here? Right. Okay. All right. So let me read this. So we have an input format context and an output format context. I think we can safely ignore all the filtering stuff. Then we have two codecs, one for decoding and one for encoding. Oh, wait, how old are you? Secondary school. Is that high school? Yeah. Oh, wow. Cool. You going to college? I bet Hungary probably has some pretty cool public colleges. That's the cool thing about Europe, man. There's a lot of history, and America's just so freaking big. Hmm. Wait, what does that mean? You're not going to... Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Nice. How long's the train ride there? Let's see. Train from... Bro, I'm not going to get the spelling of that. To Budapest time. Can this thing fucking hurry up? Oh, 3 hours? That is not bad at all. Oh, 2 hours? Yeah, that's not bad at all. Man, Hungary's kind of small then. Hungary's like the size of California, or probably even smaller. Oh, by a lot actually. Yeah, from here to here, this is like it's kind of amazing how small these countries are when you like California is like let's see. Let's see if we can figure this out. Area of California divided by area of Hungary. Yeah, so it's 4.5 times bigger than Hungary. Hmm. Are Hungarians considered what is Slav? Is Hungarian Slavic? Oh, I closed that tab. Let's see. Yeah, they probably are considered Slavs. I've always wanted to go to Croatia. I knew this girl in high school that went, and she said it was awesome. Oh, you're not Slavic. Is that because of the language or what? Or is it like one of those things where you guys like, we're different though? Yeah, them, but not us though. All right. Oh, right. Yeah, language. That's what I figured. Pretty cool. I forget where Ole said he was from. Probably Warsaw. I think he's from Warsaw. But so then I'd take a trip where I'd go to Europe. I'd chill in Warsaw, and then I'd come down to near Gaza. But I need to make a trip out of it. But I want to. Well, if you're in college at the time, I'll crash at your couch in college. Okay, all right. It's time to get back to reading this thing. All right. So we have a Okay, so there's some struct that has a 2 codec contexts and and a frame that it stores. We open an input file. This on the stream info. Oof, that's a tough loss. 2/3 of your country? You guys should invade. Reclaim your reclaim your land. You can spearhead this, man. Sad Adam reclaims Hungary for the world. I'll back you all the way, bro. Okay, so what does this actually store? Because this must do something. FF format context. Looks like a kid was just typing F on his keyboard. Many Hungarians are outside the border. Okay, fine. It finds some stream info. I don't even know what that means. It returns okay if... Read packets of a media file to get stream information. Oh, really? ffmpeg doesn't have a header? Ask GPT, it'll fix the code. Well, right now I'm just trying to learn the API. I'm sure it will fix the code, though. Okay. Allocate a memory block for an array. That's weird. Whatever. Oh, okay. So for each of the streams in the input format, you alloc a stream context. So if there's... So ffmpeg can actually store 2 streams of video? Um... Or is it for like one for... Huh. Okay. So yes, you can have multiple video streams, but it's not common. The difference between the USA and Hungary, yeah, that is true. College is very expensive here. Okay. So we allocate that stream context. Find the decoder for that stream. Then you allocate the codec context. Then you take the parameters from the stream and load them into the codec context. Inform the decoder about the time base for the packet timestamps. This is highly recommended but not mandatory. Okay. Yeah, time seems like a weird thing. Okay, if it's video or audio, I'm going to get rid of all the audio stuff. How many lines of code is this? Probably 500 lines of code just to transcode a video. 650. Hold on, I'm going to grab something to eat and get some food. All right. What happened? I didn't hear any gunfire. Damn, it's cold, man. What's the weather in near Gaza? Oh my gosh, my spelling is. Ooh, yo, it's actually nice as hell where you're at, man. It's pretty good weather. That's exactly what I want to see, man. I was gonna make a joke. All the Europeans think there's just guns all around here. Near Gaza? That's where the gunfire's at. Guess frame rate? That's weird. What is deck? And we do this for each of the streams. Okay. I see. Okay. So that just basically initializes this. But does it give us? What does indexing this do? That's what I don't understand. I'm eating kiwis. I love some good fruit. Okay, and then it gives a frame. Wait, does it? Oh, it allocates an array of stream contexts. All right, that's fine. No, I'm vegetarian though. Jesus, this is so much boilerplate. Okay, presumably we can just delete all of the filter code. Peaches are great. I don't eat peaches that much, actually. Oh, dude, you have a garden? That's hype. That's hype. I want a garden. Okay. This is a good example. ¿Puedo hablar un poco de español? I can speak a little bit of Spanish, but pretty much just English. And me tori si Hindi uh uh what is it? What is to speak? I am so embarrassing, bro. Hold on. Oh, and 可以的 oh, I don't know a little bit of Mandarin. I at one point I tried to learn a little Mandarin, but bolna, yeah. Uh मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. Let's see. Can I speak this? मैं 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 हिंदी बोलता हूँ. Okay. I mean, I don't really, but I'm definitely English, like fluent, obviously. Spanish, like I can like sort of get by. Hindi and Chinese, basically nothing. Espanol, Espanol. Ich bin Adam. German. That's cool. German, I heard, is kind of tricky because of like gendered nouns. I never liked gendered nouns. Fuck, it is so cold, bro. The weather's supposed to get better next week. It's 65 right now. Okay. So encode write frame. What the hell does this thing do? Okay, what is it that I even want out of this file? I want to know what extra stuff I need to do to be able to... Send frame. Is that what I'm thinking of? Yeah. Let me go back to my example. Read frame. So what does send frame do? Supply a raw video or audio frame to the encoder. Do I use that? Oh, right. This makes an encoder for JPEG and then sends that to an encoder. So, is that what that means? Yeah. And the receive frame is from a decoder, I guess. Right? So, if I go to receive frame, this takes the decoder, return decoded output data from a decoder. Okay. And then you receive the packet. Packet stream rescale time. These examples are too advanced. Okay. Oh, I dropped out of university. I was working for a while. Now I'm a degen. Now I'm a degen, doing nothing. Yeah, it was COVID and I didn't like it. What happens if we try to read 2 frames? I'm actually curious about that. Okay, so you can just call that until it becomes 0. All right. The stream. It's like doing this is such nonsense, man. There's just this convention and order. It's like you just have to know that the packet stores the stream index. I don't fucking care. What is a packet? Let's see. This structure stores compressed data. It typically is exported by demuxers and then passed as input to decoders. Received as output from encoders and passed to muxers. Okay, that sort of makes sense. For video, it should typically contain one compressed frame. Oops. For audio, it may contain several compressed frames. Encoders are allowed to output empty packets with no compressed data containing only side data. For example, to update some stream parameters at the end of encoding. The semantics of data ownership depends on the buff field. If it is set, the packet data is dynamically allocated and is valid indefinitely until a call to unref. Reduces the reference count to 0. If the buff field is not set, make a copy instead of increasing the reference count. Okay, that's semantics that I don't really care about. So wait, I just want to try to run this program. So if we have transcode, okay, and then we have a, okay, okay, so now I want to do, okay, then the input is going to be vid.mp4 and the output is going to be output.mp4. Okay. Okay, so that should have written a valid. Okay, that's fantastic. This probably had. This had no audio in it, I guess. That's kind of weird. So my guess of what I actually have to do to make this work is just to change the input. So where's the input get set? Open input file. So this is going to open input file. I think I might just be able to do this to hack it in. Bum 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 bum. This seems sus, but I think what am I doing? Okay. Find stream info. Stream context. It allocates a stream context, and then for each. Okay, so codec context comes from here, and it comes from the stream codec parameters. So all we need to do I think is put, oops. What do I think about wars? I think wars are bad. Okay, so we sort of just need to do this. Or actually, that's not defined. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know anything. I wouldn't want to venture out to say a whole bunch of stuff about Ukraine cuz I don't know. I don't know shit. Where's that coming from? It's clearly logging something. Okay, wait, let's just try to run this in debug. Oh, wait, is that what I wanted to do? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, not really. I wouldn't say I'm following the news that much. Okay, wait, where did it exit? Oh, wait, how do I provide the input arguments? Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, there we go. Segfault the MB streams. Open the output file. So it's in opening the output file. You know what? We should do this. Can I rerun it? Let's rerun it. Run it back. Run it back. Damn, that's crazy, bro. How do you even like, let's see. Let's go back to the map. Let's go back to the map. Yeah, okay, you guys kind of have a border, but you're not that close to it, man. Isn't it like all the way down here? If anything, Moldova's got it. Wow, that's actually crazy that this is Russian territory. That's actually crazy that Russia is up in this bitch. They have so much land, dude. Russia just has so much land. It doesn't even come close. It's crazy. Yeah, that's so that's a good point. Wait. So wait, this is a null pointer? Is that what it's saying to me? Do you have to set that? I don't know about that. Okay, so why is that? Actually, you know what? I should do this. Wait, do I have these? If I make a change here, does this? Okay, it does. Okay, so I'm actually going to edit the other guy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, but do we have the... Wait, hold on. Let me try to do this. GDB, LDB, Windows. Alright, let's try that. Launch.json. Let's just copy it over. Oh, really? That actually happened? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's annoying. It's supposed to get real nice though. Can I print stuff out? Oh, great. It reformatted the whole thing. Fantastic. Okay. In that case, I'm going to do this. Oh, but that actually it's actually really annoying. I don't want to do that. I want to do this. Okay, then I'm going to do this. Okay, then I want to copy over. Okay, let me just like read this again. So what does open input file do? This probably sets all that. But then I should be okay. I'm going to change this to format context. Let's rerun it. Oh, it's already in use somehow? Oh, yeah, it is in use. It fails right there. That must mean that this is a null pointer. Oh, what? I've never seen that before. Why don't I listen to music? The birds and stuff is my music. Oh, damn. I think I'm gonna go to the gym. I think I'm over. I'm like too much. So basically, all I did today was take a single picture. But you know we're gonna run that shit up. We're gonna run that shit again just to be like, wow, look at we. Wait, hold on. Did I really break it? It doesn't work anymore. Bad source image pointers. Oh, is it because we did this stupid read frame twice thing? What's the difference? What happened? Oh, that is so fucked up. I wonder why. You know what? It's probably because this thing. I'm gonna close that. Oh, you know what? It could be this too. Fuck. Bro, it was working. That's so annoying. What changed? I literally didn't change anything, but it's not. Wait, hold on. I probably just have to recompile it. Okay, that's what I thought. Wait, this is not it. This is it. This picture is actually pretty beautiful. Even though it's so washed out, I like this. Pretty. I like that it's so washed out. Let's see if I can set the Wait, how do I actually there was a way to um wait, this is not what I want. I want Okay, so before this how can I change this to have the option to use the highest resolution? Thanks, bro. Bless me. I'm just gonna do this. It failed? Okay, let's try to do this list options thing. What? We have 1920 by 1080. Oh, wait, do I need to do... I did that. Oh, wait. I think it was just that. Okay, what about that? Oh, it'll probably still fail because of some stupid thing you need to set. Oh. I don't know why. At no issues, but I kept seeing. Okay, so let me see that picture again. I could see this in a museum. It's pretty. Now I really want the 1080p. Wait, let's do this, 20, 1080. Oh, sick. Nice. Oh, we need to do this too. Probably need to do this. Probably need to do that. What else do I need to do? Probably need to do that. So much cleanup. Clean up. Okay, so we'll just do this. Increase cap resolution. All right, that'll be where we stop. Peace, bro. Sad Adam, you're the fucking man. See you in Hungary. See you in Budapest, actually.